I love Korean barbecue so much, and every time I go to a Korean barbecue restaurant, I always order their Kalbi, which stands for ribs in Korean. So start off with your marinade by adding brown sugar, low sodium soy sauce, coconut water, mirin, which is Japanese sweet wine. If you don't have mirin, you can use dry sherry. Grate your onion, then peel your Asian pear and grate your Asian pear. The Asian pear and the kiwi both act as tenderizer for the meat. Then grate your ginger, add olive oil, sesame oil, and black pepper. I find that you get the best flavor if you marinate this overnight. If you don't have time, at least marinate it first thing in the morning and then cook it for dinner. Mince your garlic, then add your garlic into the marinade mix. With the Kalbi recipe, you're going to use short ribs that are cut across the bone, which is called flanken style. If you live near a Korean supermarket, they will certainly have this cut there. However, if you live by a supermarket that has a butcher that can do various cuts for you, just ask them to cut the short ribs flanken style. Then you're going to chop the white part of the green onions and then add it to the marinade mix. Once you're done marinating, then turn on the grill. I like to preheat the grill for 10 minutes so it's nice and hot. Then I brush oil all over it, add the short ribs, and then I turn the heat down to a medium so it doesn't burn my short ribs, and then cook it on both sides until they're done. Just make sure to cook it through, only because when you're grilling the meat, it looks like it's done, but then by the time you cut it, it's still rare inside. But if that's how you like it, then that's great. Pour the marinade sauce all over the beef as you are cooking them. You can garnish the short ribs with sesame seeds and chopped green onions. I find that the best way to eat the short ribs is to cut it with a pair of scissors and eat it with steamed rice. Enjoy!